Hello, everyone, and welcome. Uh, I just want to make I just want to make a video about my advertising uh, campaigns for my Facebook page. Which this is the advertising summary. It was a good thing, or should I say, a success that it had good results. So overall, I think this is the total. Yeah, that's the total for the time frame. Because I spent advertising, Facebook ads, to gain followers within the last 90 days. And yeah, total reach 17K. Uh, Post engagements 1.3K. Total follows or likes that I got is 1,547. Total link clicks 268. So I don't know how they calculate the link clicks. Okay, I don't know why it's 268 where I know how it works. 268 link clicks and me getting 1,545 follows or likes. So I only did two advertisements. The first one I did was August 19, which gave me 559 follows or likes and did 12,000 reach and spent 971 Philippine pesos. The second one I got was only 5,000 reach, but I got 988 follows and spent 991 pesos. And summary in the audience: post engagement 1.4K, age and gender. I don't know why it doesn't show, but it says here. Uh, how do I click the last 9 days? It doesn't show though. Oh yeah, here. You don't see anything. But anyways, we go to the placements. Now I know that every time I have an ad campaign, it's gonna be on the feed on mobile app 93% of the time. Suggested videos feed on mobile devices 6.7%. And little or no advertisement shown on desktop computers. So we know people who mostly browse Facebook must be browsing on the app, and less on desktop. So yeah, that's a good insight to know that most Facebook users are app users, and literally 0% on mobile web feed. So locations, I think this is kind of like, yeah, I think this is accurate. Maharashtra, India. Analamanga, I think this is Madagascar. Uttar Pradesh, India. West Bengal, India. Gujarat, India, and so many more. But let's try to go click see all ads. Let's go to view results. So this is already completed, and the two ads I had was like duration of 7 days, daily budget 142. This is like around 1,000 pesos more or less. I think this is less 1,000. Uh, oh yeah, 971 pesos spent for 7 days. It's already calculated anyway. You have to have a specific total amount to spend for 7 days of the duration, which the daily budget is 142. And the goal of this one is to get page likes and follows. So you have different goals for the ad, but I specified getting followers instead of just basically impressions on a post. And I think to me this is very likely beneficial as a content creator on Facebook. Are you satisfied? Of course, yes, I'm satisfied. Let's just skip that one. Now, first ad I made cost 971 over 7 days, got only 559 likes, 12,000 reach, and cost per like or follow is 1 peso and 74 cents. Well, too many stats, but anyways, here I have my preview, which I said in my ad. This is the preview of the ad that I used. It says 35 years old who loves blockchain and business opportunities, currently on a fitness journey, and I used my profile picture. But there's an error here. I'm not actually 35. I forgot my age. I'm actually 34. So this is an error on my part. And covering this part here down because that's the payment method info, so I don't want to show that one. And the reason why it costs almost 2 Philippine pesos for a follow, because this is focused only in one country, and it's not the whole country. It's only focused on big cities in India. I don't know how many I tagged, but you can see the list here of the audience details, the age, 18 plus, in the big cities of India. I did this research only on Google, and yeah, provided that the result was kind of only half of what I expected. And here we have the second ad, which of course the same goal, still getting more followers and likes. Daily budget still the same duration. Total expenses 991. Oh yeah, I forgot the previous one ad. I paused it a bit for literally like half a day because I need to edit the ad to specify the target, just like the country and the specific cities. Now this is way more broad. I spent 991 pesos. Cost per like is 1 peso per follow, but I only got 988, which is 991, 988. Not really that of an accurate, it's not really 1 peso per like. I can say it's a little bit more. The reach is only 5,000, which is, this performs even way better than the previous one, and I'm way more satisfied on this advertisement than the old one I made. And this is my preview. Gaming live streamer, Ark World, blockchain, MMORPG, fitness journey, Python programmer, and this is a much better, I think, preview. And the same thing, another profile picture, and maybe the next ad I'm gonna spend is I'm gonna change this one to a much better preview, I guess. Yeah, and instead of a specific country of targeting, I went global. So I went by region or continent: Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, and South America. Age bracket minimum 18. But instead of countries, I went for interest, which is basically video games and crypto trading. Way more broad, way more impressions, and less cost for getting a follow. Yeah, I think this is way better, and it's way more improvement than the last one. So I prefer just going broad, very broad, every part of the world who uses Facebook. And I kind of targeted just basically categories. Okay, so this here is my insights or statistics to my Facebook page, which, yeah, the total audience is 2,530 likes and Facebook followers of 2,504. And yeah, the new page like is 1,000 likes in total. So this is from the previous one, I guess. Within 28 days. It didn't count the last one. So uh so here we are at the performance, right? So I'm gonna talk a bit about this. As you can see, this is on the video. We're gonna talk about a bit on the video performance. Uh, I paid for the advertising, but the video content, for some reason, most of them viewers from the videos don't come from my followers that I paid ads for. They come from organic, meaning recommendations within the network, or search engine through Facebook. If it was from the ads, from the followers I got from paying the ads, this would indicate not 0%. But there's no paid percent here. So all the views I get from majority of the videos come from organic, and of course this was posted in the page. Again, non-followers meaning they're not followers, they're not the ones who followed my page in through the ad. And surprisingly, majority of them are from the live feed. When I go live on Facebook, they don't come from video posts. So if we go to this section, 276 3-second video views, you can see a graph, right? You can see a graph from there. Says here it's mostly still organic, again posted. This is from the video, this is not live. Now surprisingly, the videos that are not live give me 20% followers, viewership, and 7.3% non-followers. So yeah, majority of the viewers are non-followers, but we see the improvement the more followers we get through time, and they tend to watch the videos I post. And if we go to real plays, there's no indicator here though. How much are actually how much percent of my followers are watching reels? But in my mobile, I remember in my mobile data, it says in my insights that I get like 70% viewers from the reels. 70% of viewers of my reels are from the followers. I don't know if you can see this. But that is like the reels reach is 72% followers from the insights in the mobile app, which is good to know, since if my viewers from my reels are 72% my followers, then should I just make reels instead of videos? I guess that would be the case if that's the dominant viewership, since most of the viewers are actually the likes or follows that I get from mobile usage or mobile users. Yeah, here we are, the audience overview. There's not much on the demographic, man. This is just audience trends. Look at this. Follower video views 48, again 25%, 75% non-follower. So this may play a major role in when to publish the videos, the date on or time when to publish them. But I don't pay mind on when to upload them. As long as I have a video uh, available, I tend to upload it like directly as soon as possible. I really don't care much about the schedule. So that is it. That is the first impressions or results on me spending money on getting followers and likes to a Facebook page. And probably, hopefully, we get better results in the future. And maybe see you next time, I guess. So, bye.